Is there something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. Smack. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Dum. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have eggs on my head? 1, 2, 3! You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on your head. My head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs are hatching on my head? Oh. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Bling! When the turkey is screaming at the turkey there, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them, ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Yum, yum, yum. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem, it worked, bye! 이거 이 페이지 보지. 이 next page에서 이 페이지를 보지 마요. Now I have no berries on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Pigeon. 여기 뒤에서 퀴즈가 있어요. 아, 저렇게 먼저는 모르게요. 저 앞에 있는 거를 모르게.